Pagka lumalaki yung business, you need a strong organization that is united towards a common goal or vision, mission. The manager who used to lead the people, the organization, rises up to become a leader. Ano ba yung sabihin ng leader? The difference is a manager manages the aspects of the business and manager actually manages people. But people don't want to be managed. They want to be led. So, kung gusto mong lumaki yung business mo, develop leadership. Ang difference ng leadership is a leader leads. He doesn't manage people. He leads people. Anong ibig sabihin ng leading people? Sinabi yan sa Bible na leaders are supposed to serve. How do we serve people? Basically, we want people under us to thrive. In other words, kung nagtathrive ka in your business, you want your people to also thrive. You want your people to experience the same prosperity that you're experiencing. So eventually, you're actually empowering them para na sa ganon, maging magaling sila. They will keep on improving and improving. And they will realize that what is valuable is their self-improvement. So, ang mangyayari noon, because they have been improving, may impact yan do sa organization mo, do sa bottom line mo, may impact yan. And that's how your company will thrive because it impacts your bottom line and lumalaki din yung kita ng mga tao mo. And they will share the same vision as you have for the business because your vision has been proven to be a good vision. And your leadership has been proven to make them thrive because you are allowing them to improve. So it's all about people. Business is all about people. And for people to thrive, there must be a good leader.